Hello, bouncer, I have a job for you. While I'm dancing, wash my shoes. Tonight is the night that we rendezvous. Sweat, the fountain of youth, bust a move. Free shaking, dance together. TikTok, spandex and pleather. Been a stressful week, I got a lot of pressure. You have a lot of great moves, but mine are better. You to a dancer.
Tonight, all the badness on the ride. Even so, it was getting denied. It's like apple pie. Cut you open and you're just wired. You ain't trying to cause a riot. Who ain't say no to you? Wait till they get along with you. $100.